Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to get a clear skin naturally at home. Firstly, wash your face twice daily, morning and night. Use a gentle cleanser suited for your skin type and avoid harsh soaps that strip natural oils. Now, exfoliation removes dead skin cells and unclogs pores. Use a gentle scrub 1 to 2 times per week. Natural options like sugar and honey scrub and oatmeal paste. Even oily skin needs hydration. Choose a light non-comedogenic moisturizer. Natural options like aloe vera gel, coconut oil and jojoba oil. For acne-prone skin, honey and cinnamon mask. For hydration and glow, aloe vera gel and cucumber slices are best. Now drink 8+ glasses of water daily. Hydration helps flush out toxins and keep skin plump. Include fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil. Reduce sugar, processed foods, and excessive dairy if they trigger breakouts. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night in sleep because sleep allows your skin to repair and regenerate naturally. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.